Hi everyone, so since it's back to school and everything, well, I'm not sure about you, but I'm about to get back to classes and I wanted to talk about some things that I have found that really helped me when I have to write an essay or something like that, or things that basically solve problems that I find sometimes in the process of writing it or finding papers to cite. The first one is something that probably all of you know already. But in a physical book, sometimes you're not sure which chapters are going to talk about the things that you are going to write about or that you're interested in. There is actually oftentimes a sort of index at the very end of the book that gives you a list of all kinds of terms that are used throughout the book that might be of interest to you, and it tells you the pages where that term is mentioned. Something similar to that, but online or on documents, is a word search function, sometimes on a PDF, really on any online article where the words are actually not just scanned, but they're actually written down there. And also, if you have an online library, there is a very similar function where you don't necessarily see all of the pages at once, so the word search function doesn't really work there. But it probably does have an option where you can look up a words or a couple of words and it will tell you which pages it is mentioned in. Another thing is that sometimes you have access to an online library, whether it is from a public library or your college or something like that, and you know about the existence of certain books or similar documents that might help you, but they aren't actually on the library. They're just listed and you would have to look them up or something, and sometimes you can't find them, or sometimes you can find them but they have to be downloaded for a price or something like that. Sometimes you aren't actually able to find the full PDF of the book that you want, but you are able to find certain chapters of the book that you might be interested in. You might find them online by themselves. So for example, I am interested in a couple of chapters from this PDF and both of them just happen to be online. It's also very likely that all the other chapters might be there somewhere online. Another thing is that it's not just scientific pages that actually give you the citation or the information that you need for a citation. Sometimes there are other websites that have the function, not the function, but sometimes you may find at the very end of the page it says how to cite this, or it lists all the information that you need in order to cite it. Again, the word search function is very useful because you can look up the word cite or something of the sort, or written by, or to find certain information that you might need. Another thing is sometimes you may want to cite a paragraph from somewhere, but the PDF doesn't actually let you select text, or maybe it is one of those PDFs that are just kind of scanned and the text isn't really there for you to select it. And sometimes what you can do is you screenshot that text and you can take it to a image to text website online, and you can just easily upload it there and it will convert it to text so that you can just copy it like that. So as always, you should keep in mind that you have to make sure that you are signing it correctly. Otherwise you obviously could get in trouble, as probably most of you, if not all of you, know. I hope these tips have been helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next video.